Hello everyone, Dr. Luisa and Master Bart from Atomic Taekwondo. We wanted to give you announcements with the most important events coming up at Atomic Taekwondo. But first of all, I wanted to welcome our new guests who joined our school. Actually, guests who turned into members. We have Henry, who was referred by Leo and Roman, so thank you for the referral. And Henry, welcome to school. We welcome Charlie, referred by Grayson. Grayson, it's so awesome you brought your friend, and we love Charlie on the mat. Welcome, Charlie. And we also welcome Thomas, who joined our Basic Skills program.
I want to take this second to congratulate everybody who tested for their new belts this past weekend. Congratulations. Now we have all new stuff for you to learn, all new games for you to play. Get yourself ready and prepared for December 1st and 2nd, which is going to be our next test.
Yes. Now, something very, very exciting. As you know, our summer training contest ended. We chose the winners during our belt testing last week.
I didn't win at all, just so you know.
You didn't train enough, Master Bart. But we have still few prizes in the office because some kids who did not participate in the basic skills test, when we are drawing the winners, because they are older, we have your prize in the office. So we will make sure to pay attention to you coming to school and we will give you the prize. Now, this bag right here is for one of you to receive as an award because we have a contest of bringing a friend to class and registering for 2 weeks trial. When your friend joins us, you will get special red ticket which you put to this jar. This way you can win this awesome bag and take it home. At the beginning of the semester, lots of parents look for fun activities and very valuable skills building activities for their children. And as you guys know, our school is filled and provides exactly that. So bring your friends for the 2 weeks trial, get your ticket, have fun with your friend on the mat. And to do that, first bring them for buddy days. You can bring them any time for a class with you so that your friend can try. The most important thing is talk your friend and see when they would like to come in, then let us know so we can book the spot for them because we only allow 2 new people, 2 guests per class. Otherwise, the other spots are reserved for our students. And we are going to give you a link which you can send to your friend. This way they can register for that class and they'll be all set.
And lastly is our Halloween party. That's on October 22nd from 4:30 to 7. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're having a flying donuts contest. I will be making these units for your children. They could come in, they'll paint them when we first get here. That way they'll dry, kinda, so that they can take them home. Just bring plastic for your car. And you can use them for Halloween decorations. Most importantly, I gotta cut these. So there's gonna be no registration the week of the party because I have to make sure all the units are made and put together and ready to go. So I can't do that on the fly. So you have to register as soon as possible. That way I can get them made and have them ready for you guys.
So register in the app. You can even bring your friends who are not Atomic members. There's a link in our Facebook group. I can send you a link if you have someone from outside who would like to join. We have lots of surprises. We have eyeballs. We're going to be eating body parts. They taste delicious. They kind of taste like chocolate and marshmallows. So anyway, join us and we look forward to seeing you.
Have a good day.
Bye guys.